D. And so that will be out in front of the field until it's taken over once again by Kevin Harvick and Denny Hamlin. Now, it's a 14-turn track, but guys, kind of take us around maybe even the trouble spots here.
And you cross the start-finish line and head down into turn one. That's a sort of a deceiving corner. It tightens up the further you get in there. We've seen a lot of guys overdrive that corner. And turn three, very slick. Wheel hopping into that corner in the braking zone is very tough. Into turn five, same thing. Not quite as bad, but easy to overdrive that corner.
You get turn six, saw a lot of contact there. Turn nine, the entrance to turn nine, the back chicane or the bus stop. Don't miss turn nine, it will tear the nose off your car. Then roll around to the new chicane, which is on the front straightaway. Saw a lot of people miss turn 14 and jump across those curves. You have to stop. If you miss this front or rear chicane, you got to stop to serve your own penalty.
It's been so much fun learning this road course, at least for the Nascar drivers as they're making their way onto pit road now for pit road speed. And Rutledge Wood has been kind of keeping his finger on the pulse of the fans and social media and everything going on with that. Let's bring in Rutledge Wood. He's at home, actually, and we'll have Hey Rut come and join us here at Daytona.
Rick, it's great to be with you, buddy. You know what? This week we've been